Hello, everyone. I would like to invite you to join me on my transformation toward better well-being, better health, and more positivity. This is not the first time I've tried the Great Life program, but this time I truly believe in myself that I can succeed. Recently, I lost my son, and you can only imagine what a devastating loss that is. I became numb, uninterested in everything and everyone. And despite all life's struggles, this has been the hardest experience I have ever faced, filled with immeasurable pain. After months, I finally said to myself, enough is enough, and contacted a friend who uses Great Life products. I also started using the digital training programs they offer. I chose movement over pain, hope over darkness, and progress over giving up. Every single day, I show up for myself because I deserve health, energy, and happiness. This is about rebuilding my life. If I can rise after loss, so can you. Join me. Let's grow stronger together. I'd love to hear your story. Like, comment, and share this video to help others find their strength too.